cinnamon to attract love, cinnamon to attract money, and cinnamon to improve your relationships. If things aren't going well, it might be because you're not properly using the natural remedies provided by Mother Nature. And today, I'll share some secrets about a spice I love and often use in my videos. I'm talking about cinnamon. If you feel like your paths are blocked or things aren't going well, if you want to unlock new opportunities, or if you're on the verge of achieving something significant, put a cinnamon stick under your pillow for 7 days and 7 nights. After that, burn the cinnamon stick and blow the ashes out the window. You will be surprised how the doors of love, abundance, and prosperity will open for you. If you want to attract quick money, put a cinnamon stick in your purse. You can also tie a red ribbon around it to protect your money. Keep it with you all the time and you will thank me. If your love life is not going well, mix cinnamon powder with your body lotion and you will become a magnet of attraction. Start using cinnamon and it will change your life.